Welcome back students, and time for the task. And this is very simple, just listen it very carefully. The first step is you will have to create a new sheet. Now while you are creating a new sheet, there are two important things that need to be remembered. First, the sheets that you are going to create, you can't give it a name. Don't give a name to that sheet. The second important thing, you also can't define the position. Means you can't use after and before parameter while creating a new sheet. You can't say that this sheet is going to be created before this sheet or that sheet, last or first. You can't do that. So a new sheet need to be created. You can't give a name, you can't define its positions. It's going to be a simple function sheets.add. Okay, now the new sheet has been created. The second step is going to be you will have to go to this if function sheet. You will have to copy this particular data and you will have to paste that in the new sheet which has been created. Remember, follow the step. Don't do this like if you are going to if function first, then copy paste, then creating the sheet. Don't do that. Follow the steps. First you will have to create a sheet, then go back to if function, which is this particular sheet, copy the data and paste it in the new sheet. I'm giving the example also, like I am running this macro right now, and right now this particular sheet is activated. So the general rule is whichever sheet is activated is going to create before that. So you can see a new sheet has been created. I have not given a name and not defined a position as well, but it has done the copy paste from the sheet 1 data. If my cursor is over here, it will do the same function. So it's a simple one, you will have to do that. And if you have got the solution, then it's fine. Otherwise watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.